Hello and welcome to another tutorial on Java. In this tutorial, I am going to explain what is integer division and integer data types. Now if you see, I have deleted all the previous lines in the program and only kept the two lines which are very essential to run any program, to write any program. And I have also changed the comment line. It is a program to show the use of integer division. Now, an integer data type is something which cannot be splitted, like number of boys, number of girls, number of classrooms, number of trees. These are all integer data types. Number of books. Now in this program, I am going to show an example about integer data types. So I have created a problem, something like that. You have some number of students and you have some number of books and you are going to distribute the books. But number of books are such that it cannot be that even if you distribute amongst the students, there will be still some remaining books will be there. So first I declare everything as integer data type. So number of students, number of books are all integer data types. Integer number of books, number of students, and integer number each student got. Okay. Now I'm assigning some values to number of students and number of books. Number of students say 11 and number of books say 35. See, 35 books cannot be distributed amongst 11 students in such a way that there will not be any remainder. In other words, even if you distribute, still some books will be there which cannot be distributed, because 11 into 3 is 33, still 2 books will be remaining as a remainder. And so each student will get how many? Number of books divided by number of students. Now what will happen? Will it show me a decimal number? If you do in arithmetic, if you divide 35 by 11, you get something like 2 point something. Let us see what happens here. So I am trying to display the value number each student got, because I have already assigned number each student got equal to number of books divided by number of students, and see the result I got is 2. Can you see it? Yeah. Sorry, it is 3, because 3 into 11 is 33. So what is the decimal? The decimal is not there. So it is not showing me the 3 point something. It is only showing me 3, because number each student got, I declared it as an integer type data. So it will only hold the integer part, it will not hold the decimal part at all. That is because of the data type I assigned to this variable. Now if I declare all these variables as double, then the thing will change. Suppose I declare number each student got as double, number of students as double, number of books as double, and I assign each variable as 11, like 11.0, 35.0. Now each student will get 3.181. Of course this does not make any sense. How can you give 3.18 books to each student? But that is not the point. Point is I am showing the use of the variables. You can, once you understand the concept, you can use it to your convenience. Now let us explain one more concept here called integer division. Now if you distribute 35 books amongst 11 students, still few books will be remaining. We call it remainder. So how to get this remainder? So let us declare one more data type called remainder, or you can use it like remaining books or whatever, up to your convenience. And let us get this. Let us see how we can get a value here. So remaining will be, now we have to use a different operator. It is a percent, it is called modulus operator. equal to remaining equal to number of books modulus, that is the percent sign, number of students. So remaining equal to number of books modulus number of students. For modulus we use the percent sign, and now we display the remaining also. So I add one more statement with the println statement, remaining plus, you can see that. So I added two more parameters to println. Now it is showing me each student got 3 books and remaining is 2 books. Of course I need to do a little bit of formatting and little bit of beautification, otherwise it is not showing me the space or anything. So now you see each student got 3 books and remaining 2 books. So now you got the concept about modular division and integer data types. So if you declare data as integer type, then the result will be always integer. It will always ignore the decimal point. But if you define as double, then it will also show you the decimal point. And if you want to get the remainder after a division, what you can do is you can do a modulus operation and hold the remainder into that variable, and then you can display it as I showed in this example. So now I hope you got some idea about integer data type, some more clarification on double data type, and what is integer division and modulus data or modulus operation.